engineering, an exciting field that combines science and mathematics to create products and services that improve people's lives. As an engineer, you'll find endless opportunities to innovate and make an impact on the world. From civil engineering, where you design and build infrastructure, to mechanical engineering, where you create new machines, the possibilities are endless. Enroll in TMCC's engineering program and gain a strong foundation in physics, chemistry, and mathematics while learning design methodology and basic engineering skills through hands-on experience in small class settings. Graduate in as little as 2 years with an Associate of Science degree and transfer as a junior at most major universities, including UNR. Engineers enjoy competitive salaries by specialty, location, and experience. However, earning potential is significant and grows over time. Plan for a bright future and enroll in TMCC's engineering program today.